Hello friends, I am Prakash Reddy. Today we are discussing the Food Safety Standard Authority of India registration process for the food business operator. A very simple method to apply the registration. We can register this process within the 10 to 15 minutes, and whatever the documents required and how to apply the registration we can discuss in this video. Before start to registration process, three documents are required to scan and stored in your device. First one is the identity size photocopy. Then second one is the government issued photo ID such as the Aadhaar, PAN and voter ID, any one of the document. And third one is the address proof document of your business, any document which indicate your address proof identity. These three documents must required to scan and stored in your device or required for the loading during the filling of the form. And a registration fee for per year, that is the 100 rupees. If you required 5-year registration, then required 500 rupees. Then the payment should be required to pay online process by internet banking or phone pay or maybe debit card. Registration process, official website of the Food Safety Standard Authority of India, that is the www.fssai.gov.in, or also you can type only FSSAI and then enter. You will get the official website, that is the fssai.gov.in. The click on this website, the windows is open. Then scroll down. At the bottom section, there is a number of the sections, in which the first section, that is the FOSCOS, which is used for the licensing and registration process. Then click on that food licensing and registration system. After the clicking, you will open the next extension windows, that is the FOSCOS for the licensing and registration process. Then click here for the FOSCOS. After the clicking, the again windows is open. Then after that, scroll down. You can see here the apply the licensing, then licensing fee per year is. Then second one is the apply for the registration for the small business operator and the fees for 100 rupees per year. Then for the modification of licensing, then registration fee, then renewing of the licensing. These are the number of the links are provided. Then apply the second link, that is the apply for the registration certificate for the small business operator, which the turnover per annum less than 12,000. After the clicking, the new window is open, in which first required to registration with the mobile number, then enter the mobile number, then enter the CAPTCHA, and then submit. After submitting the button, you will get the verification code on your registered mobile number, and this code is fill in this section and proceed. After that, you will logging for the official website of the Food Safety Standard Authority of India. Here is providing the number of the links, in which the registration, modification, renewing, surrender, inspection. These are the number of links. First, apply the registration link. Click on the registration link. Then apply for the new registration. For the new registration, click on the new registration link. After that, you will get the section is open in. Then select the state for which you are applying the licensing or the registration process for this. Then select the state. After selection of the state, then entering, then here link is open. Click here to apply for the registration for all businesses. Then click on this registration process. Then after that, the link is entering into the different manufacturing and the food servicing sectors. Here we should require to properly select the, if we are the manufacturing food related product, that means production of the bakery, production of the fruits and vegetable, production of the dairy related products. Then select the manufacturer. If we providing the services like the hotels, small hotel shops, etc., then these are the other agencies related to the export, import, then e-commerce and the For the manufacturer, select the first manufacturing, then click on manufacturing. Then at the below section, there are the number of the manufacturing units links are provided. We require to select one of them. For the dairy units, then vegetable oil, then slaughtering unit, meat processing, general manufacturing, and the other substances added to the food. Mostly in the registration process, general manufacturing involving number of the small food manufacturing sectors. Then click on the general manufacturing and proceed. After that, you will open the detail of the general manufacturing. In the general manufacturing, including small dairy units, then vegetable processing, then slaughtering, then meat processing, packaging, whatever the very small unit related to the, that means the it's including the specific pre-processing, properly packaging, then bakery confectionery related products. Here should require to click on the turnover not excessed rupees 12 lakh and whose produced capacity of the food does not excess 100 kg per kg or liter per day. Okay, that means registration process required only if your turnover is not excessed 12 lakh per annum. Then click on the turnover, this select, and after that proceed. Then our main application, that is the form A, is open for the registration. In form A, required properly filling of name of the applicant, or maybe fill with the name of the company, whatever your small food business, the name of that company filling. After that, individual, partner, whatever the proprietor, cooperative, select your individual if unit is. Then kind of the business, that means the manufacturing unit, which kind of the manufacturing unit, and required to properly filling of the addresses. Detailed address of the business is located, and if the business and corresponding address is same, then click on the S. Then after that, detailing filling of the addresses, detail of the food item proposed to be manufacturing or the sold. Here should require to select what type of the food should be you produce. For example, if the fruits and vegetable related products are you are manufacturing, then select the fruits and vegetable. There are number of the different sectors are provided for the dairy, then for the confectionery, bakery related. Then select and add for the, if suppose you are manufacturing fruits and vegetable related and also spices, then select both and add the and saves. After that, and add and saves. After that, food safety mitra. That means if you are attending the training related to the food safety, and if your certificate related on, then select on the enter the specific their numbers and details add. And after that, next section is, that is the if business intended date to start. That means the which date you want to be start this business, that tentative date should be required to add. And then after that, source of water supply, what type of the water supply to your business, and how much electricity which is used for food processing your unit. If yes, then a detail add. If no, then click on no, and then after that save and next. Then after that, next one is upload the document. 3 documents required to upload. First one is the identity size photo. Select the file, then upload. Then identity proof. Select the file, then upload. And last one is the document, that is the address proof of the industry. Select the document in whichever storage. Then select the document, open, and then upload. After the uploading the all documents, then click on the I will declare that declaration, accept. Then next one is the payment method, in which the 3 links are provided. Second one is the pay you biz. This is the simplest way of the payment, through online payment or by phone pay paymenting or debit card paymenting. Click on this pay you biz and then click on the pay. After that, select the payment method. If net banking is then select then through net banking or by using phone pay. Then phone pay processing required to add your UPR number or the phone pay number, and then after clicking you will get the message on your phone pay, then accept, then automatic payment process is done. After payment, you paymenting immediately received the receipt of that you are receiving of the application form for the registration process. This is the complete registration process is completed here, and whatever your registration final copy, that final copy issued by the Food Safety Standard Authority of India through post office, through whatever your respected address, and also send this copy through email ID in your email. This is the complete process of the registration of Food Safety Standard Authority of India for the start to small business in the food processing sector. Thank you very much.